Yesterday, one of my students asked me, Mr. Paul, why is it that I will launch an advert and it will perform well in the first 3 to 5 days, but after that time, the advert will stop performing? The reason is actually very simple. When you launch an advert, your advert start reaching people who are most likely to buy. In fact, sometimes your advert start reaching your warm audience first. But the moment it exhausts those audience, Facebook now goes out of that circle to show your advert to people who are not your warm audience. Most time cold traffic. Most cold traffic might not be so much interested like the warm audience. And that is why most people are not going to buy, making your cost per result to go up. What is the solution? The solution is simply means that the advert is good enough to convert warm audience, but it's not good enough to convert people who are not so much interested. When it comes to marketing, there are different level of awareness. There are people who know that they have a problem and they know that solution exists. There are people who do not know that they have a problem. So you have to start by actually showing them that they have a problem. You now start even recommending solution to them. And that is why you need to make your advert with specific kind of people in mind. There are some adverts I make and I know that this advert is meant for cold audience. There are adverts I do and I know that it's going to convert warm audience. For example, when I do an advert that is showing you different testimonials, maybe I'm reading what people are saying in my video, these are adverts that is going to convert warm audience. But if I want to convert cold audience, I can start the advert with, are you currently struggling with Facebook ad? Are you currently running a business but you don't know where your sales will come from? This kind of advert is going to convert cold audience. So if you know the difference, you'll be able to create multiple kind of adverts that will convert different segments of your market. This is what will help you to make more sales. Don't create one advert and expect it to convert cold, warm, hot audience. No, 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 no. There are different segments of your market, and knowing how to speak their language will help you to make more sales. If you are currently running Facebook advert and you're not getting the best result, I have a new program that will show you exactly how to create profitable advert. Listen, over 500 people have taken this program and the testimonials are incredibly amazing. Look at what they are saying on the screen. If you want to start getting the best result with Facebook ad, click on the link anywhere around this video, grab the program, join the support group, and whenever you have questions, I will be there to attend to you. Listen, Facebook advert is not one of those things that you learn once and you don't keep updating your knowledge, because things are changing every single time. And when I get new updates, I simply record a quick short video and upload it in the course area so that you stay updated and keep on getting best results for yourself. The price is just 5,000 naira right now, but I guarantee you it's not going to last any longer. And the bonuses, I'm not going to leave it there for a very long time. All you need to do now is to click on the link anywhere around this video, grab the program, and I'm going to see you on the inside.